Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Another 10 tokens ranking by market capitalization and potential gains from present prices. Let's dive in. All right guys, yesterday I posted the video top 10 tier list tokens. It's not because the top 10 tokens with the top 10 which biggest potential. No guys, listen please carefully the explanation inside the video. It was just a top 10 tokens by list of market capitalization. To not forget any token, right? I just move from this list. So by market capitalization, top 10. So I exclude the Tether, USDC, Leader Stake It. So I add the 10 tokens. This is another 10 tokens. Next one by current moment capitalization. And we move 10 tokens. Another one, another one, another one. So that's the point, guys. So listen, please, carefully the explanation and the logic, because it looks like people just chase, wow, show me the X50 token, what to invest in. Guys, this channel is not just for the hype. On this channel, we talk about realistic gains, and sometimes this gains not so beauty what we're looking for. And maybe some tokens will finish the ride just with a from present moment like 50% pump, and that's it. Will be the end of the cycle. So think about it. Not invest just randomly, just because you hear some influencer who show you, oh, this next 100x token promise, and for sure 100% all big funds will invest in this token. Just random hopium. Better guys finish the cycle in the profit than stuck in tokens for the next 3 years, like the people did in 2018, 2021. So that's the point. And the profit, it's always the profit. So the next 10 tokens for today, I skipped the Rapid BTC. Today it's Stellar, SUI, Bitcoin Cash, USDE. I skip it because it's just a stable coin. HBAR, Avalanche, Litecoin, Leo, NOTCOIN, Shiba Inu, Uniswap. Next one will be the Polkadot, OKB, BitGet, Kronos, Ethena, and all of these other tokens. So once again, it's not the other top 10 tokens because I love this token. This is so promising token. No, guys, this is not that channel what it may be looking for. So take a look now with this list. And this is going to be the ranking like 1 to 5x, 5 to 10x, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 50x. So 1x is 100%. So just in case if you're new in crypto. Stellar, XLM. Also, guys, I will show you the charts. And if you watch my channel, you knew all these charts before and you saw it. So it's not something new information. If you're interested in detailed analysis, after watching this video, I highly recommend you go find by ticker name in Telegram the video, for example, for XLM, and watch the long video with detailed explanation why exactly to that targets, what happened, when this token can hit or not hit the target. So just in case. Stellar now 42 cents, 31 billion supply. Tokens, it's 62% tokens in circular supply, 13 billion market capitalization, and take a look that 13 billion market cap. Now, all-time high by market cap was like 18 billion, so around 19 billion, and the price, of course, at that time was around here 62 cents. So what we can see now, we go into the weekly time frame. And the charts, guys, absolutely relevant. And I think that Stellar XLM can hit the new all-time high this cycle. It's around 93 cents or even like a magnet $1. It means that Stellar can hit potentially 31 billion market capitalization, $1. Maybe a little bit less, you know. But 94 cents, for example, 95. And a lot of people, if just keywords, guys. If we hit the 95 cents, for example, a lot of people will wait the $1. And maybe they will stuck in it and not fix the profit. So take a look the gains. So potential gains. Time to buy. XLM was here in accumulation zone. What I shared with you before. 27 blocks. So you can watch the first video about XLM, the main bull run plan. what I posted in zone 23, zone 24. The gains, by my personal opinion, it's around 100% from this current price. To invest in it, it's up to you. If you believe in XLM, if you believe in high price targets, I share just my own vision, So I don't think so. The XLM will hit the $2. Even the $2 is going to be just a 200%, guys. Not 200, 354% from these current prices. And take a look, the $1, just in case, so you understand how the market works, guys. Take a look, 95 cents, for example, from these current prices, it's 115%. If we count from the bottom in zone 22, it will be 1,200% gains. Correct? Correct. What do we got by gains in previous cycle? So the COVID dump and the low, 2,900% gains. So probably we can hit like 50% less in gains, in percentage gains this cycle, but can hit the new all-time high. You understand the logic? So it will be the new all-time high, but by gains, it will be like 50% less than the previous run. Connect the dots. So Stellar, I guess it's 1x from this current prices. You can agree or you cannot agree. You can write in a comment, guys. I just share my own ideas for this token. After the time, we will double check, is this idea correct or wrong? I'm not pretend to be the right guy all the time. I totally don't care about it. I'm here to make money, not to be the right. So SUI, next one. For SUI also, I post the main video based on the initiation accumulation pump model. If you watch that video, you remember the target. So here, listing in zone 23, we dump it to the best zone to buy based on the initiation accumulation pump model, hit the 27 block, minus 0.61 level by FIB, collapse down again to the OK zone to buy and go higher to the new all-time high. I believe that SUI can hit the new all-time high. I might post this sticker smile. So this is my take. If you watch the previous videos, you understand why exactly this targets. So I think we will form the new all-time high for SUI, 669, 776. And once again, it can be from this current prices. Here, 73% profit, 100% profit. But from the bottom, here, it's going to be like 2,000% gains. Pretty good one. I remind you again that HBAR in previous cycle reached like 2,000% gains and finished the ride. Polkadot reached like 1,300% gains and finished the cycle. So guys, not all the time, the tokens skyrocket to the moon because you want to buy now. Everything should be in time. We can't invest now at 370 and wait the 2,000% gains just because our entry at $3.70. Someone invested it here at 36 cents. And this is not a low cap token, guys. But I believe in new all-time high. So also 35% tokens unlocked. 3 billion 51 supply. Now at this current moment, 13 billion market cap. FDV 3 times bigger, 37. So imagine if we hit just $6, $7, for example, $7.50, let's say like this one approximately. So it's going to be the 23 billion market capitalization. FDV will be 70 billion. Also, guys, don't build a crazy expectation for the many tokens from these current prices. If we go higher, of course, guys, of course, it's possible to go even to, I don't know, to 13, for example, to $15. Possible. To $20. Possible. It will be the 5,000% gains for the people who invested in October 2023. For you, if you want to buy now, it will be still less than 5x. Even if we go to the $20 from this present moment, 400% will be just for the SUI, just in case. This is reality. Bitcoin Cash, also interesting token, guys. This one. This is a crypto. This is a global chart, guys. And this is a model what most likely you will see on other tokens which listed now. So cycle after cycle, they will not hit the new high and just going parabolic down. So like spiral, right? So time to buy Bitcoin Cash been here. I showed you it's a 27 block on a weekly time frame, May 2022 till June 2023. 1 year accumulation, pump, reject 23 zone, almost touch the buy line on a weekly. Now we trade way over exit line. I don't think so. We should drop to the buy line now. I don't think so. That's why we can go straight forward to sweep this high, 1,014 dollars per token. And if you believe in a new high, not new all-time high, I don't think so. The Bitcoin Cash gonna hit the new all-time high. It's 2,418. So $1,000 for a Bitcoin Cash. It's around like double X, 22 billion market cap. 22 billion market cap. So here, almost 20 million tokens in circular supply. It's good. It's good because no crazy seller pressure from the unlocks or so, right? Almost equal market cap and FDV. The highest all-time high bar market cap being like 73 billion. Imagine 73 billion, and market capitalization being at the top here. So that's points. Hard to say, are we hit the 2.2K500? But let's count. Let's just count. So realistic gains from these current prices. Let's count from a previous cycle. So take a look. We took the COVID dump, like starting point. So previous cycle, the Bitcoin Cash finished the cycle with 1,000% gains. This is reality. So this was insane altcoin rally. This was incredible gains in 2021, but it's just 1,000% gains. Why people build now some crazy expectations for the tokens? I have no idea. So from these current prices, from the bottom in 2022, because we sweep the COVID dump low, right? It will be 1,000% gains, absolutely the same gains, at 0.5 level by few. Magic, right? So it's 10x. Yes, it's good gains, but everything, guys, should be in time. And people who expected now some crazy gains from the Bitcoin Cash because they want to invest now. So take a look, it's going to be like 71% gains. All right, let's count potential all-time high, 300%. To 2,400. From the bottom, it's going to be just madness, like 2,200, 2,300, even more, like this one from that low. 2,600% gains to hit 2K400 from the bottom. Nice one. But from current price, it's going to be just, I don't know, here. Let's go to the monthly time frame. So it's going to be like 300%. So Bitcoin Cash going anyway to this list. HBAR. HBAR, 42 billion tokens in circular supply. So $1 price, right? It's 42 billion market capitalization. Now, market cap 10 billion. All-time high by market cap was like 15 billion. That's the point when the tokens added into circular supply. I believe the HBAR will hit the all-time high, but also with realistic gains. I remind you again. So here, where the COVID dump. Here, COVID dump. Let's go to the monthly time frame. It's going to be easier to count. The zone's absolutely relevant, guys. You remember the 27 block for accumulation if you watched all my previous videos. Congrats if you not skip it. So here, let's count March 2020. This is a 3,000% gains from the March and 2,000 from the October. This is what I told you before. So 3,000 from the COVID dump low. If we count from this low in December 2020 to 3 cents 56, we already pumped it 1,000%. So to hit 1.61 level FIP, 65 cents, what I posted before, 1,700% gains, and the 2.61 level FIP around, once again, the $1 like a magnet, 2,600% gains in total. But from current prices, it can be like 285. So 300% gains from these current prices if we hit around $1. So $1, 42 billion market cap. Just in case, guys. So HBAR going here. But of course, guys, you have to understand, for the people who accumulated here, they already did insane profit, insane gains, 1,010, 10x. So if I could make this list around here, of course, HBAR could be here. But everything should be in time. That's the point why I shared a lot of videos like bull run plan for the altcoins. I share with you all zones for accumulation, all zones for distribution. Zone 23, Zone 22, Zone 24. Now just the updates from this present prices. Avalanche. What do we get now? Here's by the way the unlocks. Next one. Only in November. It's not a big deal. Like so 58, 59 around percent tokens unlock it. Market cap 10 billion, highest point of the market cap being like all-time high 32 billion. FDV actual, I guess Avalanche will be one of not many tokens which will hit the all-time high. And if we count this top, this low, you know, $77 and 232 possible. And another fee, it's also this one. So around 200, yes, I guess we can see. Probably. It's hard to say. So 191 at 200. So something like this one. I got 2 fees for that token. And here from the low, it will be, let's say, like here, new all-time high, 1,700% gains. And this one, 2,000% gains. And 2,400 from the bottom, guys. If we count, let's say, let's delete this one. If we count, for example, from present moment, $23 for Avalanche, looks like we got a great potential. So take a look. $166 for Avalanche, it's 583 new all-time high. And around $200 for Avalanche, it's 686. This is probably one of biggest potential for this token, for this from this list. So I'm not showing you the Avalanche, you know, but I think we can hit the all-time high. And yes, from present moment, Avalanche is still underrated. And even if we just sweep the high, it will be the over than 500%. Nice one. Litecoin, LTC, 76 million tokens in circular supply, 90% unlock at 9 billion market cap now, 27 billion all-time high by market capitalization. So if we check this one also, I believe the LTC can hit the all-time high to test some of this like rejection level. So it can be like 472, for example, or 500. It's hard to say where exactly the token will stop, right? That's why if we count from the present moment here, it's not a big deal. It's like 300% gains. So LTC going to the first rank, this one. Next one, UNUS. I don't think so. You ever heard something about this token, right? But this is in the top 30 rank. Imagine. And nobody traded this token basically. Somebody invested it, I guess, but it's still not even in the Binance. But just by market capitalization, guys. This token basically is so stable, and I posted the video about this one. And here, we came and rejected 27 blocks. So my last target for this token is around 977, 1055, 1311. So if even we go from the current prices to 13, it's like 38% gains. But this token so stable. Imagine since March, even the drop, even the bear market since February 2022, we're just in an uptrend. So if you accumulate in March 2023, you already made like only 200% gains. This you know, like this is a stable by price section, but not because some crazy gains for the investors. So Leo go into this rank. Not even basically the 1x. Next one, guys, it's a NOTCOIN. For the NOTCOIN, I track it since 2023. FIB relevant, 27 block accumulation, another accumulation like support, the buy line on the weekly, everything okay. So I believe that NOTCOIN will hit the new all-time high. It's still the same targets, $9.75, around $10. Everybody's screaming. We're going to the $100, to $20, to $200. All random mass numbers will be for the predictions, but the target's absolutely still the same. What I posted here, NOTCOIN now. 50% tokens unlock at 2.57 billion circular supply, right? 8.88 billion market capitalization. Now it's FDV 17. So also twice bigger FDV than market capitalization. All-time high, 26 billion. So it's 3x, for example, 3x to hit new all-time high by market capitalization. So let's count $9. $9 will be like... It's hard to say, like 25, for example, 23 billion market cap. So $10, 25 billion. So once again, the $10 will be like a magnet for the NOTCOIN. NOTCOIN, sorry. NOTCOIN is trash token. From this current prices, take a look. It's 182%. Most positive case, 1280, 269. Also not a crazy gains, right? Everything should be in time, guys. So time to buy the NOTCOIN being here. 1,100% gains, and for example, around $10, it's going to be 889. 8x, good one. Next one, Shiba Inu. For everyone who waited the $1 price, just go and take a look. The circular supply. It's a trillions, guys. It's a trillions. If the Shiba Inu with current circular supply will hit the $1, it will be the more money than ever exists on a planet. So I have no idea how the people still believe in that random stupid influencers videos. So SHIB going out of 42 billion market cap to 7.64 billion. What is good? FDV is equal because all tokens in circular supply, all-time high 43.58, 56 billion market cap. So let's count the gains, guys, because yes, I believe the SHIB can hit the all-time high, but there's no triggers, to put the price higher. So we get a lot of other mascots. So here, equilibrium of that FIB, what I posted before, it's less than 300% gains. New all-time high, let's say if we believe so, the SHIB will skyrocket and cut 1.0 once again, maybe it's going to be the 600% gains. So like a hopium, right, for all of these users who want to invest now, let's add the SHIB to, let's count like this one. Come on, adjust it. Let's add the SHIB to sweep the all-time high to this list. So not one token will be here. Maybe if we believe in one more super cycle for altcoins, maybe the SHIB will hit the new all-time high by market capitalization. Maybe they burn some token or so. We'll see. But it's just a question, it's a big question. So just in case, guys, high risk. Last one is Uniswap. 60 million tokens in circular supply, 23 billion, highest point of the market cap at the all-time high. FDV 11, market cap twice less than FDV. So it's not good, I highly recommend you go and check the video about market capitalization and FDV, why it's important. $10.96, time to buy the Uniswap in here, 27 block, what we traded since April 2022. Till basically the last touch was June 2025. So all this same period, there was an accumulation. Conservative price target for here the uni is from this. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Come on. Now from current prices is 0.5 level by FIP 156. Maybe the Uniswap gonna hit the new all-time high. It's anyway like less than 500%. 489. 489, guys. If you could accumulate here, it's gonna be like almost 2,000% gains. So that's the beauty, guys, of accumulation in the right time. So here, pump from the 27 block to the high, for almost 500% gains. In this area, it's going to be 7x, and if we hit the all-time high, it's going to be 1,800% gains. Previous cycle, for example, from November, listing on the OKX, it was like 2,372. So like once again, 50% less. Probably we can hit this run. $50, $55 will be like a magnet for the Uniswap. So unfortunately, the Uni going here also. Yes, not so attractive numbers. People want to see something like this one, you know, of course. But guys, it is what it is. So we can work with realistic data. The ship with the big question. Avalanche most likely can be top performer. But of course, guys, invest just based on your analysis, not just because of this ranking. Just do your own research, do your own analysis. Because yesterday I posted the video and add the Cardano for potential 5x, 500% from current prices, and some guy write in the comments, I go all in. If it's okay for you to go all in some random virtual internet fancy token, absolutely useless. It's up to you. So all responsibility on you. What are you doing, guys, with your own money? I hope you like this video, guys. Write please in a comment what you think about all of these 10 tokens. Do you agree or not agree? So you can rank in a comment section. If you would like to trade with my customer Kasav, what I showed you also in this video, you saw the take profit indicator. If subscribe, write me DM, potential up to 20% discount for the subscribe channel. Don't forget Joe Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.